So here's another tip for you. If you've worked with fiberglass and you get this stuff under your skin, you know, it can be really itchy, burning sensation. Typically I'm not really affected by it, but what I found out through working on the fiberglass that I laid on the boat, when I sanded it down, that stuff just really got into my skin. Standard advice is a cold shower. Cold closes up the pores, keeps more from getting into your skin, I guess. Hot shower. Opens up your pores, so what's in your pores gets a chance to get out. I did both. Did a cold shower, did a hot shower, or immediately after the cold. Same shower, just changed the temperature. And I still had burning sensation. So I went to tip number 3, duct tape. Gorilla duct tape, of all things. I really don't look forward to this because this is probably going to be painful. But what I've done is take a loop of this stuff and this should pull off the glass and the hairs. Oh my god. So yeah, this is probably working, although I can't tell you because the pain from the missing hair seems to outweigh the, I'm not even going to show you this. This is disgusting. It's just got I've been defoliated. We'll find out. I'll report back after the pain from the hair that's been yanked out is gone and let you know if that's helped or not. It's been about an hour and I gotta say it actually has helped a lot. I don't feel the burning sensation when I lean my arms on something. Kind of unusual way to do it, and kind of painful if you're a hairy individual like I am, but it does work. So duct tape, cold shower, hot shower, duct tape, that will clear up most of it, if not all of it, hopefully all of it, but it has worked for me. Hope you liked this video. If you did, hit like, share, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thanks.